guys, welcome back. In the last video, we discussed the topic blood relations. हमने उस कॉन्सेप्ट के बारे में बात की थी and I taught you some tricks and techniques to use while solving such questions. And in this video, we will solve this set and also one more set. इस set के ऊपर there are some 4 questions which are based. And if you think that you've grasped the concept, I would suggest कि आप यहाँ वीडियो को pause करें and try solving this question on your own. Any which way I will be solving it and later we can match our answers. Alright, so I'm going to begin now. Now there are 10 members A to J in a family. There are 3 generations of the family. 3 generations. Remember the hierarchy point that we discussed? With an equal number of male and female. Now J is the brother-in-law of E. This is our first data point. But यहाँ ना सीधा पहले ही brother-in-law बड़ा complex सा relation दे दिया है. So we can plot it later. हम लोग आगे से शुरू कर सकते हैं. Alright? B's brother I has only one sister A. तो B है कोई तो we don't know his gender. So there is B. Alright? Because 3 generations है, who knows? I'll write it here. B's brother is I, so I is a male, we know that for sure now, right? And has only one sister A. So इसका एक ही sister है जो है A. Since he has only one sister, that means B is definitely his brother. So he will come in a square box. Okay. Then H and B are the married couple. So B or H are married couple. So H is a female. थोड़ा obvious हो गया है वो. And H is the mother-in-law, so we know that H is a female, right? So H is the mother-in-law of C. So they have a child who is married to or who is a spouse of C. तो यहाँ C आ जाएगा. So we don't know the gender of either C or the child of H and B. All right? Now G is the mother of B. B की mother is G. So G would also be the mother of I and A, right? Then comes D is the son-in-law of G. D is the son-in-law of G. तो G की daughter का husband would be son-in-law for G. तो D would come here. Okay? Then C is the sister of E. C is the sister of E. And यहाँ पे कोई male होगा. Then F is the only son of D. इनका एक ही बेटा है who is F. And the first point which we left, J is the brother-in-law of E. तो E का brother-in-law, that means E की sister का husband. So that would be J. Alright? So I think we have figured out the whole family by now. बस E का gender निकालना है, which is also our first question. So यहाँ it was given that equal number of male and female है family में. Alright? So that means यहाँ पे female है हमारी 1, 2, 3, 4 and male हमारे 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So that means E would definitely be a female. ये gender वाला question is answered. Right? Next question पे चलते हैं. Relation of F and G. F and G. So F, the mother of F is the daughter of G. That means G is basically the grandmom of F or F is the grandson of G. Okay? This question is answered. Third question. Who is D married to? It is pretty clear that D is married to A. Alright? Done. Last question. How is F related to B? How is F related to B? Now F जो है, he is the son of B's sister, right? So that means B is the uncle to F. And अगर पूछा how is F related to B, तो F B का क्या लगता है? F B का nephew लगता है, alright? भतीजा और भांजा, what you call is nephew in English. So F is the nephew to B. So that's it for this set. I hope your answers match mine. अब मैं एक और सेट सॉल्व करने वाली हूँ एंड ट्राई करो कि एटलीस्ट अगर फर्स्ट वाला तुमने खुद सॉल्व नहीं किया था तो यू ट्राई योर हैंड्स ऑन दी सेकेंड डेटा. ऑलराइट? ओके, सो वी हैव द सेकेंड सेट हियर. आई वुड सजेस्ट दैट यू ट्राई इट वंस ऑन योर ओन. और मैं तो इसको सॉल्व करने ही वाली हूँ. ठीक है, सो व्हाट इज गिवन हियर इज 6 स्टेटमेंट्स दिए हैं. कुछ अलग अलग सिम्बल्स यूज़ किए हैं टू डिफाइन द रिलेशनशिप ऑफ टू पीपल. फॉर इंस्टेंस, इफ अगर दो लोगों के बीच में प्लस का साइन दिया है, दैट मीन्स दैट द फर्स्ट पर्सन इज द मदर ऑफ द सेकेंड पर्सन. एज सिंपल एज दैट. ऑलराइट, तो हमें ये स्टडी करके बेस्ड ऑन दैट वी हैव टू आंसर दीज 2 क्वेश्चंस. ऑलराइट, तो पहले क्वेश्चन में भी हमें कुछ पूरा स्टेटमेंट दिया है यूजिंग दोज सिंबल्स. वी हैव टू डिफाइन दैट रिलेशनशिप, मेक अ ट्री, एंड उसके बेस पे हमें क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करना है कि हाँ क्वेश्चन मार्क की जगह क्या आएगा, कौन सा सिंबल आएगा, सो दैट एस इज द सन इन लॉ ऑफ क्यू. ऑलराइट, एंड इन द सेकेंड क्वेश्चन हमारे पास अगेन पूरा ऐसे एक्सप्रेशन दिया है एंड हमें निकालना है हाउ इज डब्ल्यू रिलेटेड टू z इन द एंड. तो वो हमें निकालने के लिए पूरा ही एंटायर चीज़ को सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा. ऑलराइट, तो पहला क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करते हैं. हियर इट इज गिवन दैट p परसेंटेज q. सो परसेंटेज साइन का मतलब है p इज द सिस्टर ऑफ q. तो वी नो कि p इज द सिस्टर ऑफ q. ऑलराइट, देन वी हैव q क्रॉस r और q मल्टीप्लिकेशन r, which means q is the father of r. Alright, so q is basically the father of r. We don't know the gender of r right now. Alright, r और s कुछ तो है, ठीक है, and then s and t में क्या है, again s will be the father of t because same symbol यहाँ भी यूज हुआ है. Alright, तो s is the father of t. तो हमें पता है कि s t का फादर है. ठीक है, now what do we have to prove here? S is the son in law of Q. तो अगर Q का son in law प्रूव करना है S को, that means कि R जो है फर्स्टली वो Q की डॉटर होगी and S would be married to R. तो R और S के बीच में क्या होगा कि R is the wife of S and R is the wife of S, ये वाला सिंबल माइनस का सिंबल है. Right? So that means the equation has to be P percentage Q cross R minus or dash S multiplied T. So this is the final outcome because R has to be S's wife for this to be true. Alright? Now we're going to solve the second question. How is W related to Z in this expression? Alright? बिल्कुल वैसे ही सॉल्व हो गया एकदम. W plus x, so that means W is the mother of x. ये हमने यहाँ पे लिख दिया, ठीक है. Then x percentage y, which means x is the sister of y. So x in a circle and y adjacent to x. Then comes the cross, that means y is the father of v. तो y is the father, that's y in a square of v. ठीक है. Then v divide z, which means v is the son of z. यानी z is married to y. That means z is the wife of y. तो क्वेश्चन क्या है, how is w related to z? तो जो w है, she is the mother of y and Z की mother-in-law. Alright, so that is how you solve blood relation questions. I have solved 2 varieties of sets. जिस तरह के एग्जाम्स जनरली एप्टीट्यूड टेस्ट और कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स में देखे जाते हैं. आई एम श्योर कि आपको वो समझ आया होगा. एंड इफ नॉट, जस्ट गो थ्रू द फर्स्ट वीडियो अगेन टू अंडरस्टैंड द टेक्निक्स एंड ट्रिक्स इन अ बेटर वे, बिकॉज मैंने इस वीडियो में वही अप्लाई करें. ऑलराइट, all the very best to you guys. In the next video I'll come up with some new topic and हम उसके ऊपर discussions करेंगे. All right, bye, have fun, all the best.